everybody, I'm just testing out some new software. So I've already attempted this 4 times. So on the last one I actually recorded myself doing tomorrow's literacy activity, which is drawing a picture of Burglar Bill, writing some words underneath to describe him, and then your extension is to write a sentence. But obviously I've already recorded it and done it wrong because I'm not very technical. So I'm just going to do this one to see if it works, and then it's something we could start using. So there's my picture of Burglar Bill, and the 3 describing words, the 3 adjectives that I chose to describe him was naughty, because at the beginning of the story he was a little bit naughty. He was also a little bit sneaky, but then he ended up being kind at the end, and I think he learned his lesson. So your sentence could be, Burglar Bill was sneaky, then kind, or Burglar Bill was naughty but kind. And you could do it on a painting app like I've done, or you can just do it on paper if you want to. And then if this works, what I can start doing is I can start doing the activity and showing you how I've done it, and then you know how to do it yourself. So I'm going to go now and try and upload this, and fingers crossed it works. Okay, bye.